Here's an example of how Cyrano.ai is improving customer experience by empowering sales and customer service representatives to do a better job with less effort. And in this case, we're going to talk about the hotel reservation desk in the hospitality space, but you'll be able to see very quickly this scales far beyond that. Now, in this specific case, you'll see every time the customer talks, these graphs on the right and those avatars change. And those are representative of the machine learning system behind the scenes that's measuring what the customer says in dozens of categories with thousands of weighted words. Now, this is not sentiment analysis. This is significantly more nuanced and patent-pending technology designed to optimize not only for moving a person through a sales process and optimizing for the likelihood that they follow through, yes, but in addition to that, it's also optimizing for rapport. And rapport relates to customer satisfaction and lifetime value of the customer. And there's all these graphs on the right that, as you can see, change every time the customer talks. And you can use the sliders and the interfaces to move them up and down to focus more specifically on just the last sentence that was said or the whole conversation. And those will be great for a power user or somebody who's more experienced to understand how to work with those charts. But most people don't need those. At an easy entry level, all they need to focus on is these bullet points, these recommended tactics, these character analyses, the points of exactly what this person seems to be caring about based on the last sentence and the total conversation. And all of these bullet points, just like the interface, can be fully customized to reflect brand voice, to promote some sort of limited time offer, or to integrate with an existing CRM or platform that already exists, or even to be integrated into a virtual reality training experience. Also, all of this system is designed to have a manager's view on the back end, which allows you to not just graph the customer, but also graph the employee. So you can show how the two graphs are lining up and to give a gamified and not punitive, but positive feedback to role play with your sales agent so that onboarding can be much easier and more efficient. And so these are just a few of the dimensions we're measuring and the possible applications as we're giving real-time feedback based on a much deeper understanding of what's being communicated in a conversation. So if you have questions about this, obviously feel free to reach out to me at scott@cyrano.ai.